Good morning, guys. So we are all packed up and ready to leave. We are taking all the stuff into the car right now, and I'm kind of sad, but I am kind of excited to go home. So let's go. So we decided to take a detour going home that didn't exactly work out in our favor, but it was a gorgeous car ride there. We got there and it was closed that day, so we didn't get to go, but it was really, really pretty trying to get there. And on the way home, we seen these huge bales of cotton, which I just thought was the coolest thing ever. So of course, we had to stop, and I ran up to somebody on a tractor and asked if I could touch the bales of cotton and take pictures with them. So here they are, and it was so cool. Like, I have never seen huge bales of cotton. So we just stopped for gas, and now we're back on the road and looking for somewhere to eat at in a couple hours. So we found this little Italian restaurant that we decided to eat at. The dishes that we got were served family style, and for some reason that just really warms my heart. But we got some chicken Alfredo and some meatballs, deep fried cauliflower, and some broccoli to go with it, and it was really, really good. Good morning, guys. Today is the day after vacation and we are super, super busy. We've gotten all of our stuff from vacation to unpack. Last night we stayed up, or I stayed up until about 3:45 making cakes and cupcakes, and right now I've got some cakes in the oven that I'm waiting to get out. I'm gonna ice in some cupcakes, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, but it is gonna be busy, so I'll take you guys with us and show you what we do. So I promise I'm trying to get a little bit better at vlogging, but we're working on it. That's why I figured I'd give you a little glimpse of early the next morning. I'm just gonna make myself some breakfast. I've been up most of the night and I've got a couple hours of sleep, so I was super hungry this morning. I'm just making myself like a little egg scramble with some peppers and onions and sausage and a few scrambled eggs. And here is the final result. This is super easy, quick, and satisfying, and you can use up any vegetables that you have in your fridge that's gonna go bad. I put some avocado, cheese, and this Creole seasoning on it. If you've never tried Creole seasoning on your eggs, then I highly recommend it. It's so good. And I just thought I'd share some cupcake icing magic here with you all. So here's just a recap in the week and all these photos. It's kind of bittersweet to look at all these since it went by so quickly, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. It means the world to me, and as much fun as we had on vacation, I am extremely glad to be back home and get back in the routine of things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week full of vacation vlogs, and I'll see you on the next one.